Good morning, respected sir and my dear friend. Today I am here to present my seminar on river basin management and integrated water resource management, which are initially framework for achieving sustainable and equitable water governance with increasing population, rapid urbanization, industrial growth, and climate variability. Water resource management had become a critical engine and policy challenge. On this PPT, we have discussed about Introduction of River Basin Management Plan, Objective of River Basin Management, Integrated Water Resource Management, Principle of Integrated Water Resource Management, Comparison between RBM and IWRM, Case Study Ganga River Basin, Advantage and Disadvantage, Conclusion and References. A river basin is a hydrological unit defined by natural topographical boundaries which are drained into a common outlet. It includes surface water, groundwater, associated ecosystems. Since hydrological processes are interconnected, any upstream intervention directly influences downstream quantity, quality, and ecological balance. Therefore, basin-level planning is considered the most scientifically appropriate unit for water resource management. River basin management refers to the systematic planning and development and management of water resources within a river basin to ensure sustainable fund utilization. It is based on hydrological boundary rather than a political boundary. Integrated land water planning considers upstream downstream linkage. IBM aims to optimize water allocation while maintaining ecological. On this shown diagram, it is a river basin management, which typically included hydrological assessment and water balance analysis, surface and groundwater modeling, pollution load assessment, flood risk mapping, reservoir operating planning, environmental flow assessment. The plan ensures technical efficiency and long-term sustainability. What is integrated water resource management? Integrated water resource management is a policy and governance framework that promotes coordinated development and management of water, land, and related resources. According to Global Water Partnership, integrated water resource management aims to maximize economic and social welfare, viability without compromising ecosystem sustainability. It integrates technical management, institutional coordination, stakeholder participation, policy and economic instruments. Principle of integrated water resource management. The Dublin Principle formed the foundation of integrated water resource management. First, water is finite resource. Second, management should be participatory, involving user and policymaker. Third, women play a central role in water provision and management. Fourth, water has economic value and should be recognized as a economic good. These principles ensure balance and governance and efficient utilization. Comparison between RBM and IWRM. River basin management is primarily hydrological and technical in nature, focusing on physical basin level optimization. In contrast, IWRM is broader and governance-oriented, incorporating first policy integration, cross-sectional coordination, into institutional reform, economic instruments like water pricing. IBM can be considered a practical implementation tool within the broader IWRM framework. Case study Ganga River Basin. The Ganga River Basin is one of the largest and most densely populated river basins in the world. Major challenges included high population load, industrial wastage, untreated sewage discharge, overstress from flood. The Namami Ganga program was launched to address this issue through installation of sewage treatment plants, river surface cleaning, afforestation, real-time water quality monitoring. Dispersed progress and institutional coordination in enforcement remain challenged. Advantage and disadvantage. Basin level advantage. Basin level scientific planning improved interstate coordination, long-term sustainability, climate change resilience, balance economic and ecological development. Disadvantage: complex implementation, high implementation cost, data scarcity and monitoring gaps, political conflict between states, long gestation period for result. Conclusion: in conclusion, river basin management provides a hydrological and technical framework, where integrated water resource management provides a governance and policy framework. Together, they represent a future of sustainable water resource planning. Effective implementation requires strong institutions, data-driven decision-making, stakeholder participation, interstate cooperation. Thank you.